Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your headphones to your smart TV through Bluetooth. Alright, this is really simple to do. All you need to do is first you need to head up to your remote and then go to the home section, and it will interface like this, and then we need to go all the way left till we find the setting logo. If you can see bottom left corner, click on it. Now we need to head up to the second option, which is going to be sound, and then from here you need to click on the sound output. Now it will interface like this, so we need to head up to the Bluetooth speaker list, and here it will start to search your basically headphones. So you need to put your headphone on your pairing mode, which is gonna be this one. It will blink the blue, it have to blink the blue. So I don't know which headphones you have, but in my case, now all you need to do is click and hold until it flashes the blue light. Now let's just wait for it. It will take a bit time. You need to hold it and then it will interface like this, it will start to blink. That means the Bluetooth is in the pairing mode. And what I recommend you guys as well, that you need to basically make sure to disconnect the Bluetooth from other platform if you're using the same headphones, because it will automatically gonna connect and that will cause a problem. Now as you can see, I got the logo here, like pairing, need to pairing. Now click on pair and connect. So basically you need to hold the Bluetooth section until it flashes. Sometimes it flash like blue and then first white and then blue. Just keep trying until it go to the pair mode, and then it will basically gonna connect your headphones to. All right, unable to connect. You know what it happens, because my headphone just shut it down. Let me try once again. Now the reason between that, because I took a bit longer than it usually should take. Now it's processing. Now it's blinking. Now so that has been connected it successfully. Now you can hear the sound on your headphones. I hope this video was helpful. If you need any kind of help, let me know in the comment section below.